Hello, I'm Catherine Schoenberg, and I'm the founder and director of the School of Images. One of the things we teach at the school is how to tap into the subconscious mind, which speaks to us in images and guides us in this world of manifestation. There's a fun way to do this with an ancient book of mysteries called the Tarot. You may be familiar with modern tarot decks and casual uses for readings, but our approach at the School of Images is different. We see the true nature as a book of images whose pages are reordered with every throw. These throws do not come from a reader or any other outside source. They come from the inside. They come from you, giving you a fresh look at your present moment and the possibilities that your subconscious reveals with each throw. Tarot images give us a tool for inner gazing that is expressed externally through the way our subconscious guides the cards that we pick. Tarot lets us see the truth of the matter as we see it, as it resides in each one of us, and as it is always revealed through inner gazing. It's an especially important resource for those who may find accessing the inner world of imagery and dreaming a challenge. Each throw is like a dream, and it is an answer to the question you have posed that will appear. In our tarot classes and workshops, you will learn to read your images and to be guided by them. We study the structure of the tarot, its 22 major arcanas that are the portals to enlightenment, its royal family, its king, queen, son, and daughter, and its court, represented by organic and powerful numbers of the minor arcanas. We will learn to open the cards and their configuration as a dream and trust in their truth and guidance for our lives. Please join us.